Check the timer also. Now.
Good evening, friends. Today our topic is importance of GD in a campus interviews. In my opinion, GD takes this very important role in our campus interview. GD shows our attitude and thinking ability of the person and creativeness of the person. It also helps us judge the body language. And GD not only in campus interview.
GD helps to bring out the skills of the candidate and will raise a GD in campus to check the who can get the company in good manner. And it helps to present a message of the candidate in front of all other members in a better way.
Yes, the GD is required in campus recruitment as it was a technical world that the youth are very competitive. They are fighting for a single job, so that with thousands of members are applying for the single job. GD is helpful for the recruiter to recruit the members easily within the span of few minimum time. Like in the group discussion only, he can also know the capability of the person of way of communicating to the others, and also like the content what he have in that topic, that spontaneous delivery and all that.
Yes, I agree with you, but the man who is coming from Telugu medium or government school, he cannot communicate with the group members or team members what they are discussing with each other because he is not having the communication skills. So that GD is not only the recruitment for the job, but for some other.
Yeah, you are right. But some of the companies like TCS and Infosys are also keeping the GD as a first round and to select the members very easily. And they are testing our communication skills also. So GD is required in campus recruitments.
I agree this point of Ashwini, but what my view is actually what is happening is it doesn't only go on the grammatical thing or the communication skill the person is there. If a person is really knowledgeable and he can explain that what he is having, like somebody has developed the product or something like that, with grammatical mistakes also if he will explain about it, then that is the main motive of group discussion rather than checking the grammatical errors or the language that he is speaking.
Yeah, what I want to speak is, what I want to say is that the point you're going on is right. Actually, we are in a global world, so whenever we have to communicate with the people who are outside, and we have to explain what we are doing and what we have done. So through GDs, we can come to the points that all the people are collectively having, and we may clear those doubts of the people. So through that, we can sort out the things which are not liked by others, and a person or a campus recruitment person will definitely come to know what actually is going on and what a person is having knowledge about that topic or not, how can they work for the company and how much they will allow to go on.
Yes, I want to support my point. I want to give an example about Abdul Kalam. He went to an interview to which he was not selected for so many interviews, but with his technical knowledge, he became a prime minister also for our president, for our country.
Actually, as Abdul Kalam became the prime minister, maybe he had failed in his one or two of his interviews. But as he is a good communicator and he speaks very well with the other country, he became the president. And whether a student comes from a Telugu medium or English medium, he must be able to communicate with the others. And as the world is the world is today developing very much, and in the future we need to be in groups or teams as we have to develop a project. Suppose if we are given a project, then not only we'll be the only one to make up the project. it needs all hands. We have to be good in communication to speak, to relate to the thoughts of the other individuals.
I think GD is a process of recruitment and it should not be in a filtering process. It checks the communication skills of way of speaking and attitude. I mean, all the things are good for a good employee. But some people are afraid to speak in front of all the people. So HR not only to consider the GD should also judge the students in
Right.
interview.
Actually, Manisha, what I feel is that GD, in my point of view, GD must be a filtering process because nowadays all the MNCs are looking for good talented persons, and whenever, suppose if you are not able to communicate and you are doing good with the project, when you need to present that to the others, you must be able to communicate well. So that must be as a GD relies on all of our communication skills, emotional balances, and the way we respond to others. That must definitely be considered as a filtering process.
Yes, GD is important for some extent, but if we connect the GD at final level, if the company may not lose the skilled person.
But GD has its own importance. Why I say is because we being engineers, we have to work in a team, right? So in a team, we should have certain understanding. And in the group discussion, what we are doing is we are discussing with the team. So it is the initial stage. So when we are coming in the initial stage, our group discussion is made, then HR can identify that in future how that person is going to be with the team.
So through group discussions, a person can know, means the HR can know how much able he is to communicate within a team. Because when we are going out of the company, then we have to work with all the other people also. And as we all know that all the people of our hand are not of the same. So every people will have their own opinions and own timings and own way of going through their thoughts. So this is very necessary for everybody to know what others are having, and we know that two minds are better than the single one. So for that reason, GDs are considered as one of them. So finally, I would like to conclude that GD should be one of the part of interview because we have to communicate well, and it is very necessary to promote our products in the global world also. So if we can go through all the ideas of all the people around us, then we can do something better for the company and even for the people out in the society.